Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of chess. Whether you're a seasoned grandmaster or a beginner just learning the ropes, having the right chess set can make all the difference in your game. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one? Have you ever wondered what makes a chess set truly exceptional? Is it the weight of the pieces, the material of the board, or perhaps the portability for those on-the-go games? Stick around as we count down the top 7 best chess sets that will take your game to the next level. Starting off our list at number 7 is the U.S Chess Quiver Chess Set. This set is perfect for those who need a durable, portable option without sacrificing quality. The Quiver set is designed with tournament play in mind and meets all US Chess Federation standards. One of its standout features is the triple-weighted plastic pieces, which provide excellent stability during play. The pieces are robust and built to withstand rough handling, making this set ideal for schools and chess clubs. The king stands at 3.75 inches tall, giving it a commanding presence on the board. The vinyl roll-up board is another highlight. It's not only durable, but also resistant to dirt and spills, meaning it can handle even the messiest of environments. With 2.25-inch squares and algebraic notation on all sides, this board is perfect for both beginners learning notation and seasoned players needing quick reference. What really sets this set apart is its portability. The included quiver bag is made from high-grade canvas that resists dirt and water. It's compact yet spacious enough to store all your pieces, a rolled-up board, and even a chess clock. Plus, with its adjustable shoulder strap, you can easily carry it to tournaments or casual games at the park. The U.S Chess Quiver Chess Set may not be as flashy as some others on this list, but its functionality and durability make it a fantastic choice for players who need a reliable set on the go. At number 6, we have the AMEROUS magnetic wooden chess set, which brings together classic craftsmanship with modern convenience. This beautiful wooden set is perfect for those who appreciate aesthetics along with practicality. The chessboard itself is made from high-quality solid wood with special splicing grids that showcase natural wood grains. The smooth finish gives it an elegant look that fits perfectly in any home or office setting. But don't let its appearance fool you. This set is built to last. One of its key features is its magnetic design, which ensures that each piece stays securely in place during play. This makes it an excellent choice for travel or playing in less than ideal conditions like on a train or in a car. The magnets are strong enough to hold everything in place without being too difficult to move during gameplay. This set also doubles as a checkers game, making it versatile for family game nights. The folding board serves as a storage box for all the pieces, keeping everything organized and easy to transport, with extra queens included for pawn promotion. This set has everything you need for serious chess play. Whether you're playing at home or taking it on your next trip, the AMEROUS magnetic wooden chess set offers both beauty and function in one compact package. Coming in at number 5 is the Hurdaos magnetic wooden chessboard set. A perfect blend of quality craftsmanship and portability. If you're looking for a premium wooden chess set that's also easy to take on the go, this one should be high on your list. Crafted from walnut and maple, this Staunton-style set exudes elegance while maintaining durability. The pieces are beautifully carved with felt buttons to protect your board from scratches during intense matches. The wood grain gives it an authentic feel that many players love. What makes this set stand out is its magnetic feature, ensuring that pieces stay firmly in place even if the board gets jostled during travel or outdoor play. This makes it ideal for tournaments or casual games outside where wind might otherwise disrupt play. The folding design allows for easy storage of all pieces inside foam inserts within the board itself. No more worrying about losing pieces. And with 2 extra queens included, you're always ready for those exciting pawn promotions. At 15 inches when unfolded, this board offers ample space for strategic gameplay while remaining compact enough to carry around easily. Whether you're playing at home or taking it on vacation, the Hurdaos magnetic wooden chessboard set delivers both style and convenience. Next up at number 4 is the Geeks Chess Set. Often hailed as one of the best portable sets available today, this set combines practicality with high-quality materials to create an ideal option for serious players who frequently travel. The first thing you'll notice about this set is its quadruple-weighted Staunton pieces, which offer exceptional stability during play, especially important during blitz games where speed matters. Each piece feels substantial in hand without being too heavy to move quickly across the board. The board itself is made from durable silicone rather than traditional wood or vinyl materials. This gives it flexibility while ensuring that it won't warp over time, a common issue with wooden boards exposed to moisture or heat changes. Plus, silicone boards are spill-proof and easy to clean. Another great feature of this set is its double-sided design, one side green/white and one side black/white, giving players options depending on their preference or environment lighting conditions. With velvet storage bags included for easy organization of pieces, plus an illustrated strategy guide book packed full of tips from experts like Bobby Fischer himself, you'll have everything needed not just for playing, but improving your skills too. At number 3, we have the A&A Tournament Chess Set, a set that has been designed with serious players in mind. This chess set is perfect for those who participate in tournaments or want a professional-grade set for home use. The quadruple-weighted pieces are one of the standout features of this set. Each piece has a solid feel, which is crucial for players who prefer a stable and balanced game. The weight distribution ensures that the pieces won't easily topple over, even during fast-paced blitz games. The king stands tall at 3.75 inches, making it regulation size for tournament play. The board itself is made from high-quality silicone, which is both durable and flexible. Unlike traditional wooden boards that can warp over time, the silicone board can be rolled up for easy storage without any risk of damage. This makes it an excellent choice for players who travel frequently or need to store their chess set in tight spaces. Additionally, the board features algebraic notation, making it ideal for training and analysis. Whether you're a beginner learning chess notation or an advanced player studying grandmaster games, this feature is incredibly useful. Overall, the A&A Tournament Chess Set is a fantastic option for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable chess set that meets all tournament standards. Its combination of well-weighted pieces and a flexible board makes it a top choice for serious players. Coming in at number 2 is the Bobby Fischer Ultimate Chess Pieces Set. Named after the legendary chess champion himself, this set is revered by many chess enthusiasts and professionals alike for its exceptional quality and design. The pieces are triple-weighted, giving them a substantial feel that enhances the playing experience. Collectively weighing 3.85 pounds, the pieces are perfectly balanced to ensure stability during gameplay. The king stands at 3.75 inches tall with a base diameter of 1.65 inches, making it suitable for tournament play on boards with 2-inch squares. One of the most notable aspects of this set is its ergonomic design. The tops of the pawns feature larger balls, making them easier to grasp, while the knights have an easy grip head that feels comfortable in hand. This attention to detail makes the set not only functional, but also a joy to play with during long sessions. The pieces are made from high-quality plastic, but don't let that fool you, these are some of the most durable plastic chess pieces available today. The matte finish ensures there's no glare under bright lights, which is particularly useful during tournament play or when playing under harsh lighting conditions. With 2 extra queens included for pawn promotion and a sturdy box for storage, this set provides everything you need for both casual and competitive play. If you're looking for a chess set that combines durability with professional level design, the Bobby Fischer Ultimate Chess Pieces set is hard to beat. 1. VAMSLOVE Chess Set. And finally, at number 1 on our list is the VAMSLOVE Chess Set, a luxurious option that combines elegance with functionality. This set is perfect for those who want a high-end chess experience without compromising on practicality. The first thing you'll notice about this set is its beautifully crafted wooden board. Measuring 16 inches by 16 inches when unfolded, it offers plenty of space for comfortable gameplay while still being compact enough to store easily. The board also folds in half, with secure locks to keep everything in place during transport. The chess pieces are where this set truly shines. Made from deluxe weighted acrylic, these pieces have an electroplated finish that gives them a high-end appearance without feeling like plastic at all. Each piece has a solid zinc alloy core, providing excellent weight and balance during play. The king stands at 3.5 inches tall, making it slightly smaller than some other sets, but still substantial enough to command attention on the board. One unique feature of this set is its leather base pads on each piece, which prevents scratches on the board and provides smooth movement during gameplay. This level of craftsmanship elevates the playing experience and ensures that your board stays in pristine condition even after years of use. In addition to being a fantastic chess set for playing, the VAMSLOVE Chess Set also serves as a stunning decorative piece when not in use. Its elegant design makes it a great addition to any home or office, and it's sure to impress guests whether they're chess enthusiasts or not. If you're looking for a chess set that combines luxury with functionality, the VAMSLOVE Chess Set is truly in a class of its own. And there you have it, our top picks for the best chess sets available today. Whether you're looking for something portable like the U.S Chess Quiver set or something luxurious like the VAMSLOVE Chess Set, there's something on this list for every type of player. Remember, choosing the right chess set can enhance your playing experience and even improve your skills over time. So whether you're buying your first chess set or upgrading to something more professional, make sure you pick one that suits your needs and style of play. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips on all things chess.